Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Stan with another video. And this video is for the sneakerheads out there that are trying to get their hands on exclusive sneakers and iconic sneakers out there. So today I got you guys the ultimate review of the Jordan 1 very exclusive Marina blue and black, to say the least. I want to get into the shoe. We're going to actually dive into it. We're going to do a on-foot review as well. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Love to hear what you have to say about the shoe. And let's get into it. Okay guys, this is the inbox process. This shoe got authenticated by eBay. So it's a very cool shoe. I actually unfortunately took off the authentication tag because I'm going to be wearing them very soon and taking them out. So that's the shoe in question. Oh yeah. It actually has great leather, and these are highs. These are not mids, of course, just to say that. Those are actually highs. As you can see up here, it's a higher shoe than the mids. Good quality. Nice bottom, blue bottom with the white insoles and the black and Marina blue, of course. Great colorway. It comes with different laces, of course. The black laces were the ones that actually I gravitated towards. But if you look here inside the box, I have a couple more laces. I have the white laces. I don't know if I'm really... Let me know what you guys think of the white laces. Also, I don't know if I can pull that off with this shoe. But definitely the blue laces is definitely a way we can go with this. For sure. Let me know exactly what you guys think, if I should go with the white, black, or blue laces on these shoes. So far I'm preferring the black ones just to go with a little uniform look. But eventually I will swap them out to the blue ones. I'm going forward. But very, very, very iconic shoe right there. It's not easy to get your hands on a pair of highs. And that's the shoe pretty much in a nutshell. Very cool toe box. I don't recommend playing ball in these. These are not great ball playing shoes. They're actually more fashionable shoes, to say the least. I like the fact that I get the black. I like the Carolina blues. I was looking for those as well in highs, but couldn't get my hands on them. So the next best thing was the Marina blue, which is these ones right here I have my hands on. And those right here are fire. As you could see, very, very cool shoe. Nice toe box, genuine leather, very soft leather and stuff like that. You can't really, go wrong with these shoes in any way, shape, or form whatsoever. Those are actually, a sneakerhead's dream right there. You can't really, miss out on these. When these came out, I had to hop on them right away and get me a pair. Even though I was looking for the Carolina blue and whites highs at the time. So these were the next best thing to substitute for that. And I'm very happy that I made that choice in regards to that. So I'm going to actually go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on my feet. I'm going to do an on-foot review of it, how it feels, the front, the back, the sides, and everything. You can't really... Man, like I said, can't reiterate that enough. You can't really go wrong with these. These are actually tough, very nice shoes to get your hands on. And the interior of it has actually a white cushion instead of the normal black ones that most of them get. And that's the tongue of the shoe in itself. Man, it's very, very spongy. Very comfortable, very good to feeling shoe. So I'm gonna go ahead and move forward and showcase you guys what it looks like on my feet. I'm also going to leave the link in the description below for these shoes, so you can get your hands on them if you're interested in getting you a pair. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright guys, this is the shoes on foot. And I was able to get these at 10.5, and I have more than enough room in the front. If you could see, I could move my feet very comfortably. I didn't tie the laces, but I just wanted to show you guys exactly what they look like on foot and how cool they are. This is the shoe in itself. That's the sides. Is the back. This is the front of it, and this is the inside of the shoe, the other side to say the least. Like I said, you can't miss out on these. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below on where you can get your hands on these shoes. Those are epic, very, very cool shoes. They go with black, they go with blue, of course. You can't really mess up with these on whatsoever. If you're wearing blue jeans, these go with it. If you're wearing black jeans, these go with it as well. Any outfit combination that you're interested in putting together, these will match most likely, and that's why I was able to get my hands on them. That's the shoe on foot. Epic, epic shoe. Very comfortable. No complaints from me whatsoever. These shoes are definitely a hit and a thumbs up. I would definitely recommend buying these shoes for sure. And obviously they're an epic shoe. Jordan 1s, you can't miss out on those. Link is in the description below. I always recommend getting a half size up. If you're a 10, get a 10.5. If you're an 11, get an 11.5. If you're a 10.5, get an 11. You can't really, these are hit. You can't go wrong with those. Alright guys. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna need your help though. I need 5,000 subscribers by the end of this 2023 year. And I'd love for you guys to actually help me out with that and help me achieve that goal. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, so we can actually create more content like this for you guys. All right? Enjoy. Have a good day. Peace.